Chris with Kelly Inspection Services. Hey, today we're coming to you talking to you about fuel-fired appliances in your home. These devices we've come to really rely on, and they're very efficient when it comes to energy consumption, and financially they're very popular. So some of the main things we're going to see in homes is our gas-fired furnace is probably one of the most popular, and then also our gas-fired water heater. So today we're going to be talking about our water heater, but with both of these, there's definitely an inherent danger that we must, watch out for. And this is why we always advocate in any inspection we do or anybody's home, if you do have gas-fired appliances, to make sure that you have a carbon monoxide detector. Because when we have these devices, when they're functioning properly, they need, equal amounts of fuel, a spark or fire, if you will, and then oxygen. Those three things always have to happen for combustion devices to work properly. Now here, in this inspection we're doing today, we come across the most overdone water heater system ever. So we have a 50-gallon and a 40-gallon tank for like a house less than 2,000 square feet. They will not run out of hot water here. But what's interesting is that these are both gas-fired appliances. And again, like we said, we need to have the fuel, which is the natural gas coming in. We have to have a spark, which again leads to the fire, but then we have to have a healthy amount of oxygen that supports combustion. So what we found is when we opened this door, it actually smelled of natural gas, or actually it's the odorant added to natural gas called mercaptan in this little confined space. There is a small little hole at the top that's meant to be a vent for combustion air. And again, this is one that they had good intentions, but we found out that, again, that's not enough air to actually pull in for oxygen for proper combustion. So when we get incomplete combustion, and in this case, not enough oxygen to support this process, we start building up carbon monoxide. Anytime, we'll show you a video here in a second, we have like if you were to put our combustion gas meter up to your gas stove, it burns pretty clean. Natural gas is a very clean burning gas, and therefore when it has adequate amounts of oxygen as well as fuel along with the spark, there should be very little byproduct. In this one, we actually put our gas meter in here and found a significant amount of combustion gas still present in this area here. Right? So one, that does is that starts building up an environment for creating, possibly an explosion, fire. But if we have that much combustion gas left over because it's not burning, that means we also have quite a bit of carbon monoxide that's coming out. So this is, again, carbon monoxide is going to start filling up the garage. If the door's closed, then we're coming into into the house here. So that's why it's very important. And an easy fix for this is with this door here that we see. All we have to do is really just put a little vent at the bottom, and it allows that to get draft air and plenty of oxygen from the bottom to come in here, and then prevents that. So again, it's very important with your gas-fired appliances. You always pay attention to that. Again, you have plenty of oxygen that can get to it. There's also a vent for the combustion gases to escape. And then again, always make sure that you have carbon monoxide detectors that are functioning. Test them regularly to ensure that in case this does happen, right, it's not this colorless, odorless gas of carbon monoxide doesn't sneak in your house and harm your family. I'm Chris with Kelly Inspection Services. Make sure to go watch check out our Instagram, our YouTube, and our Facebook for more videos like this. And we'll catch you later.